Hi, I'm Kayleen Goodbear, and today we are going to be talking about sculling. What is sculling? Well, according to our book, sculling is defined as a stroke technique where the swimmer uses a curvilinear pull while varying the hand angle. So personally, I still did not know what that meant. So I decided to search sculling to see if I could find what it was in simpler terms, and found on the site Live Strong that you have you have the palms of your hands facing down and move your hands in a figure eight motion. It would have been much easier if the book would have just said that in the first place. So sculling is something that I do every time I go swimming, but had no clue until I looked up what it was. This is a basic skill that you learn when first learning to swim. You can use this when treading water to help keep you afloat. This is also used in all four of the competitive swimming strokes to help propel you in the water faster. So when you are swimming, your hands are what produce the highest propulsive force. These forces can be divided up in two ways: the lift force and drag force. According to real-world physics problems, the physics of swimming, lift force acts perpendicular to the flow of velocity and goes in the direction of the hand. The drag force is actually the force you feel on your hands when you move it in the water. So in this picture, the drag is shown as D, and the lift force is shown as L, and R would be the result of both lift and drag on your hand. So your velocity when swimming is normally determined by your stroke length and stroke rate. To increase your velocity, you need to increase first your stroke length. The longer stroke length helps the swimmer to have more forward momentum created. You then need to increase your stroke rate to keep the momentum going. If you have a slower stroke rate, then you will lose the momentum that keeps you moving forward. Another important thing to remember is to keep your body in a streamlined position. This will allow your body to maximize your stroke length and rate to help you with your momentum. So now that we know a little bit about sculling, which of the following would be true about sculling? A, it is a basic swimming technique. B, it is used in competitive swimming strokes. C, there are two types of propulsive forces. Or D, all of the above. If you chose D, then you are right. Sculling is a basic swimming technique that anyone can use when swimming. One way that it is used is when treading water. It is used in the four main swimming strokes that include freestyle, butterfly, breaststroke, and backstroke. And finally, the propulsive forces were divided up into two forces that include the lift and drag force. This was important because when swimming, your arms and hands produce the highest propulsive forces. Thank you for watching, and I hope this gave you some insight on sculling.